to another video on the channel. Real quick, I want to appreciate everybody who liked, commented, and watched my last video. I greatly appreciate it, guys. In this video, please comment all you want. If you have any questions or just want to know more about the wheels that I copped, please let me know down below. But today, guys, I copped some new wheels and I can't wait to put them on the car. Real quick though, I do want to talk about the SVEs. They've already sold. I'm just, waiting to get these off and give them to the person that bought them. But the reason why I don't want them no more is just because I don't race anymore, and that's the reason why I bought them. Another reason why is because, it was a really good deal. They're like $500 with the wheels and tires. The thing is, it's not the color that I wanted for the car. Now, it is the same type of wheel I wanted, but not the color, not the type of, style I wanted. So now that I'm, done racing, I don't need them. I really got something that I really like, and I think it's really gonna pop out on the car. So yeah, that's just about the SVEs. I daily drive the car. It gets, it's not risky. Well, it is pretty risky if you drive in the rain, but it's like, I'm just bored of them. I don't really use them. I don't need them, so that's why I copped these. So yeah, homies, I put a little paper right here so you guys can guess in the comment section prior to seeing what I copped. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick little seconds. I'm gonna put y'all up close, and y'all guess what wheels I copped. So let's see who get it right. Alright, homies, so I'm gonna give you a few seconds to guess what's behind this paper right here. Now I know it's not like the most cleanest, but I had to put something on here. So I'm gonna have y'all guess. Y'all let me know down below, see if you guessed right. These are 18s, these are not 17s. I know 17s are like the perfect fit for new edges, but I just found these in 18s, so I had to cop them. So I'm gonna give you a few seconds left. All right, so here we go, homies. These right here, yeah, I taped it good. These right here cost me $350 with the tires. Oh shit. Wow, some FR 500s. Now, these wheels, man, I really like. Now, a lot of people hate on these. I don't know why. And then they're chrome, so I definitely had to cop these, homies. I love chrome, and I just think it's gonna look really nice with the car, especially because it has some chrome accents here and there. So I can't wait to put these on, see how they look, and best believe your homie's gonna like these, man. You're gonna like these. Trust me, on the car, they're gonna look badass. So let's get to it. Alright, homies, so we are done with the car. The FR500 looks really nice. Just the chrome look onto them with the chrome accents on the Mustang. I just like it a lot. Let me know what y'all think down below. The SVs are sold. They're not gone, but they're sold. So, like I said, guys, I won't be getting into racing for a long time. So I might as well just rock some, wheels, some wheels that I like for a minute here. And those are these FR500s that I copped. So, yeah, homies, what do y'all think? Y'all like them? Y'all don't? Y'all feel them? Y'all not? I still gotta wash them. I'll wash the car later. But yeah, this video is pretty short just because all it is just install some wheels and see what y'all think. I do have, though, for my next video, a very rare part that I found, and I'm gonna install in the car very soon. It's gonna take some time, but best believe it's gonna look really, really nice in the car. So let me know what y'all think down below, what I copped. Again, it's a rare part, and previously some people have guessed it right. So you can go back to that and see what I copped. But alright, guys, thank you so much. Thank you for commenting on the last video, liking, subscribing as always, and please comment on this one, like, subscribe as always, and let's get to 40 likes, homies, and I'll see you next time.